Hey guys, how are you all? In this video, I'm going to show you that how can you switch off, power off your Apple mobile phone. So in this video, I'm talking about iPhone 15 Pro Max, iPhone 15 Plus or iPhone 15. Guys, we just need to understand that the process is same for every iPhone version. Like if you have iPhone 11, you have iPhone 12, you have 13, 14, 15. So the process of powering off the mobile phone is literally same. What you have to do, you can just click that power button of your iPhone here and the volume down button and just hold it for 3 or 4 seconds like this. I'm starting 1, 2 and 3, and now you can see the first option is slide to power off. Whenever I will slide, the phone will be power off. This is the process by which you can just switch off your Apple iPhone 15. If you found this video helpful, then please subscribe the channel, please like the video, and you have any question, query or confusion, so you can drop it into the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video.